All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. After my trading session, I like to do a review video. I don't get it done every day, but I try to, and that's what I'm here to do right now. So I've been kind of on this path of trying to find my zone again. I felt like when I first started this channel, I felt like I was like right on the cusp. And I had my first profitable month in June, and it's just been kind of downhill since then. And I just kind of feel like I've lost my mojo, man. Lost my edge, and I'm kind of trying to get it back. So last couple of weeks I've been trading with just one share and kind of just doing what I feel inclined to do, and it's kind of like throwing things at the wall and seeing what sticks. And honestly, what's sticking is what is always stuck, which is playing off of VWAP. Honestly, playing uptrends off of VWAP. Playing uptrending price action. And what's really been great though is getting back to where I'm looking at volume and where the trading action took place, and looking at the levels of when the shorts are going to be drowning, you know. Um, that's been a lot of it. And man, I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted by GSIW. I've been kind of playing with it the last few minutes and got stopped out by the penny on this pop back up over here. What is that? 85. Uh yeah, ain't no point in doing that. Um yeah, but my good plays are waiting for the confirmation and looking for those narrow range entries. And for the most part, it works. There's times that I let my gut take over and don't and fail to acknowledge the things that I know make a setup good or not good. And it's kind of part of that. Like that's really been my problem always, is just kind of mixing in those try me trades with the stuff that I feel really good and confident about. And also just a little FOMO, like this entry right here is just a little FOMO, man. Just wait for the red. I want to catch the breakout, but if I just wait for the red, if you wait for it to pull back and buy the red, I mean, this would have been cool. This would have been cool. I could have bought this break, which I ended up doing after getting stopped out, and caught this move up to here. I really just moved my stop up too fast. I should have been able to get up to here with no problem. Um, so yeah, I mean, I'm finding my way. I'm finding my way, and I'm feeling really good about a lot of things. Caught this nice GLMD off of VWAP, and didn't get as much as I wanted out of it, but I think I got $2 out of it. Yeah, 10.06 to 11.96. About $2 move on that one, which was really cool. That I gave back. Looks like almost $1. Trying to get in again, but there's a bit of willy nillyness going on, just kind of throwing things, like I said, throwing things at the wall. But it's definitely making more clear to me what I want to do, and a lot of it is the same thing that I've been doing, which is kind of cool. Um, because it's just like it's just kind of reaffirming what I'm good at. Um, so yeah, still plays all VWAP, higher high plus higher low over HVS and volume levels. That's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. So I mean, no trades under VWAP, no reversals. And honestly, if I could just do that, I mean, that's always been the story. That's always been the story. Um, managing my wins is it's a little difficult with one share. I think it's like there's always that place where you know you're supposed to sell, right? And with one share, when I'm trying to catch like a runner, it's hard to sell like that. But like for example, this is my best trade today for sure. Um, so this blue line here is the highest volume candle of the day. It's above the highest volume candle of the day. And it broke over that and got slapped back down. Tried again, got slapped back down. Came down to VWAP. I actually wanted to enter right there, but I was in, I think, GLMD at the time, and right when I was getting ready to put my order in for the break above this candle, um, GLMD opened. I was in a halt and it opened up, so I wanted to go over there and manage that trade. As soon as I looked over there, I glanced and saw this happen. I was like, oh man. But I waited and waited for some red, and it pulled back. And once I saw this, I was like, all right, I put my order in, broke, made a higher high, higher low at that nice line that I, wanted it to hold. And so I added at that break, pulled back again with a higher high, higher low, and I added one more time, and then it went off, right? Um, and I had my stop up here at some point, I'm sure, but I don't want to move my stop until it makes a new high, right? So I tried to stay down here until we actually made a higher high for me to move up to. And not only that, I also had because I had 3 shares, I was able to split my order out and take some profit. And so I had this level right here underneath 28. I think it was 27.94. So I took 2 shares there. I had 3 shares, took 2 shares there, and then I let the rest ride, man. And I let it ride pretty well. Um, I still could have probably caught a little bit more, but I just got my stop really tight up here. If I'd have left it here after it made that new high, I could have raised it up here, raised it up there, which wouldn't have happened till about right there. Yeah, so probably this would have. So really, I didn't get that. I probably wouldn't have gotten that much higher than I got. So yeah, man, I think I played that really well. I think I played that really well. So I think maybe tomorrow I'll do 2 shares. I'll start doing 2 shares per trade, just so I can take profit at a place that I believe you should take profit, like high of day, and then I can hold one for the run. I think that would be cool. So yeah, just building on and building on my confidence, and just reaffirming the things that I've known that I've needed to do this entire time I've been trading. But it's a process, one foot in front of the other. And it's an enjoyable process, man. And part of that enjoyment is y'all, man. It's this channel, the accountability, the self accountability, and the community of this channel has made everything worthwhile. And I appreciate each and every one of you, man. Your comments, your criticisms. It's all helpful. It's all helpful. Um, so tomorrow I'm gonna come in two. We're gonna do 2 shares tomorrow, so I can have a take profit and then hold some for the run. And yeah, that's it, man. I think it's going well. I think it's going well. I'm hopeful. I'm excited, and we'll just have to see what tomorrow holds, and hopefully we close the week out strong, and then come back next week even stronger. Yeah, that's it though, man. Keep it short today. um, yeah, man. Discord links in the description. Um, hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe. Um, my broker reached out to me, man, and I got a kind of an inside thing going, man. If I have an offshore broker, so I don't have to worry about PDT. I have really nice leverage and really nice commissions. And I remember when I was trading in the beginning, and I was trading in Webull, and I was trading in my cash account, and I had half. I would trade half of my account one day and half another day. And I know now they don't have everything's T+1, so now you can trade your whole account each day, which is great. But I felt really held back from the style that I was trying to learn to trade, which is day trading in and out. Because, I would run out of buying power after like one or two trades, and then I'll just have to sit there and watch all these setups go by, and I couldn't practice like I wanted to, and all of that. This broker really opened up the doors for me to just like trade freely, direct access for really good feels, and the commissions are dope. So, if you guys are interested, send me an email. Send me an email, and I'll connect you with my guy, and get you guys hooked up. But no big deal, man. Just throwing that out there, man. It's like I'm here to trade and make money off the market. So, no pressure about anything, but just throwing that out there. Anyway, man, appreciate y'all. Peace.